Hello darlings, and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyl Designs. So today we're going to be replicating this tumbler. So this is the perfect time of year. I want to show you guys how we're going to make something so simple. This is very, very newbie friendly. Except this time when I replicate this tumbler, instead of doing the ombre style, I'm going to take the Florescent Orange and the Florescent Green, and I'm just literally gonna spray blotches everywhere, okay? And then we're gonna come in with icing, which is from the Glitter Ranch. I'll have this down below with the website information. Such a beautiful color. And then we're gonna come back in after our paint has dried, and we are going to glitter epoxy right over the paint. And then we're gonna add the decals, which I've already printed out. This is a saying, but I went into Design Space and just wrote it up with whatever fonts that I liked, welded it together, and then cut it out. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. This is just alcohol in this little bottle, and I'm just gonna spray the whole cup, just get my fingers off of it, and we're just gonna wipe it down. Just give that a minute to dry. And then I'm gonna meet you guys at the spray booth, and we are gonna get this painted. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay guys, we are out by the spray booth, and now we're ready to start painting our tumbler. Again, there's no right or wrong. Okay, so you guys can see this is crazy colors, but they're, again, it's a little harder to get, you know, splotchy everywhere when you're only working with two colors, but I think this will get the job done, and this is gonna look very, very cool up underneath glitter. All right, so stand by and I'll get you back at the table and we'll finish it up. Hello darlings, and welcome back. Now we're ready to go ahead and apply the epoxy glitter method. I am gonna use the fast set from Counterculture DIY. And when you're doing a epoxy glitter method, it does not require a lot of epoxy. Okay, now we're gonna go right in with icing and just pour it all over the cup like we would normally. How pretty that looks. Make sure I get right around the rim. Go ahead and just go right back over it one more time just to make sure. This looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just look at that. It doesn't even look like the same cup that I literally just painted. Beautiful. Keep in mind too, guys, you guys can use this color icing on any color cup. I mean, from blues to pinks to purples to all of those colors combined. It just gives the cup a completely different appearance. It literally looks beautiful. It goes right from the green to the orange, back into the green, and right back into the orange again. Hello and welcome back. So here we are now. I just want to bring you up to speed as to where we're at now. I decided to go ahead off camera and seal this tumbler and then apply the Fast Set Counterculture DIY to this cup so we're smooth and we are ready for our decals. Now this cup is so smooth, I don't even have to sand it. Like, granted that the icing glitter is super smooth and it was very, very easy to work with. So I would say if I had any teeny tiny bits of roughness, it was right down here at the rim. Easy fix, not worried about that, just a very soft sand. And when I say soft sand, as I get a lot of questions on that, that means it does not have really any grit whatsoever, and I just soften it up. That's why I keep saying that. I wanted to show you that I use the exact same color paints on both of these tumblers, and look how different they look. I'm sure that has everything to do with the glitter that was used on this one versus this one. I'm not really sure, but I'm loving it. I absolutely love how more pastel this kind of looks, more like a coral with a light green. I mean, the effect on this is amazing, and I feel like each effect would be seriously different. So I contemplated with myself on doing a different decal on this one, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and follow through my original plan and place the decal as I planned on this fun tumbler. I think it's gonna be so cute. So I'm sorry if you guys hear a lot of traffic. It's such an absolutely beautiful day and it's actually not raining right now here in Florida. So I have my doors open and getting a beautiful cross breeze. So I do apologize for traffic. So we're gonna go ahead and get this placed on. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? Look at how cute. I love it. If you guys enjoy sometimes watching me mess up tumblers and turning right around and showing you how to fix these tumblers, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. And just like that, we have two tumblers, entirely different tumblers. The glitter, the paint, guys, this is like an amazing, super fast, newbie friendly beginner tumbler. It takes no time at all. Spray paint your base tumbler, whatever color you want. Add icing or another iridescent glitter above the paint. Go ahead and do a fast set, which took about 2 hours for this fast set to completely dry and ready for decal. And now I can come right in with my artist resin and do a final coat. And just like that, the cup is complete. On this tumbler, I did go ahead off camera and do a final coat of the Counterculture DIY artist resin on this cup. So this cup just needs to be cleaned up and it is ready to go. So, and just like that, we have two very different, very beautiful tumblers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button down below. Ask me any questions if you have any. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.